Tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we are going to explore our Cookie Monster toy collection. We have soft Cookie Monsters, talking Cookie Monsters, and little car Cookie Monsters. So let's explore together. Let's look at our Cookie Monster figures. First we have our Weeble Wobble Cookie Monster. And he has a rounded bottom. And he moves back and forth and you can spin him around. Whoa, right off the table. Next we have our Cookie Monster figure, which you've seen in a lot of our videos. Check out our Sesame Street Toys Adventures. Some are outside, some are in fun Fisher-Price cars that make lots of sounds. Now we all know Cookie Monster loves to make chocolate chip cookies. This figure is looking a little old. Some paint has worn off, but he's got some cookie dough mix. Do you know what this is called, tiny fans? It's called a whisk. I usually whisk the kids' eggs with the whisk and we make scrambled eggs. And then we have our newest Cookie Monster. He's like cartoon-like figure, and he's got a half-eaten chocolate chip cookie. He's ready to take another bite. Nom, nom. We also have a collection of Cookie Monster vehicles. This one has big blue wheels. It's a chunky orange car that is sort of soft and rubbery. Vroom, vroom, vroom. And here is a race car. He is number 2. He's eating a cookie. And here is a smaller race car. Oh, look. Cookie Monster is wearing his seatbelt. Good job. And he has, instead of a number, a logo of a cookie. And it's an orange car with 2 purple flags. I can hear the ding ding of the ice cream truck. And look who is driving and working today. It's Cookie Monster in a white uniform. He's got a cute little bow tie. And he's holding a pink ice cream with a cone. What kind of ice cream do you think it is? Maybe strawberry? Oh, he has other treats as well. Sandwiches, popsicles. Choo choo! We even have a Cookie Monster train. And this time Cookie Monster is eating healthy. Good job, Cookie Monster. You can't eat cookies all the time. Let's see what he's delivering. A big bin of bananas. And I also see apples. What's that, tiny fans? Cucumbers, plums, there's the banana, and of course carrots. And I believe this Cookie Monster makes sounds.
Oh, hello. Let's deliver healthy snacks to all me hungry friends.
Choo choo! We also have some soft plush Cookie Monsters. We have a smaller one and a big one. He's super soft and his mouth is wide open. This is one of our biggest Cookie Monster toys, and look at how huge his chocolate chip cookie is. It's called Peekaboo Cookie Monster, and when I squeeze his belly, he'll play peekaboo with us. Next we have our Sesame Street Cookie Monster and Elmo phone.
Hello, it's me, Cookie Monster. Oscar. Count. Bernie. Bird. Big Bird. Goodbye.
We even have a Cookie Monster ball ramp, and there are 3 balls, yellow, purple, and kind of a greeny blue. Let's try it out. Nom nom nom.
Oh, please, oh, please, oh, please. Oh, nom,
We have one more toy that we haven't looked at. Which one is it, tiny fans? It's our Cookie Monster cookie case. Let's open it up and see what is inside. We unhook the clips. Oops, one of the numbers has fallen off. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And on the other side are colorful cookies with some of Cookie Monster's friends underneath. It looks like Cookie Monster ate one of the cookies. It's missing. What color do you think is missing? Well, we have 2 green, 2 red. We only have 1 blue. I think we're missing a blue cookie. Oh, and there's Cookie Monster. We'll see who's underneath. Oh, there's Snuffy. I love Snuffy. Snuffleupagus. And count. Who's under here? Bert? What do you think's under there? I think I have a guess. Could it be Big Bird? Yes, it's Big Bird. Oh, well, I hope you had fun with us, tiny fans, looking at all of our Cookie Monster toys. Our collection is getting quite large. And before I go, I just wanted to say, did you see the miniature Dora backpack somewhere earlier in the video? If not, you can go back and have a look. Thanks for playing with us today, tiny fans. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.